Hey guys, it's CAROBI Parada, and I'm here to show you all my tips and tricks on how to get the perfect concealer. Okay, so we're going to start my tutorial now, and I already have my moisturizer, my primer, and we're going to go straight with concealer, and I'm going to be using Benefit's Boi-ing Cakeless Concealer in shade number 6. And what I actually really love about this concealer is that it's really smooth, it's easy to blend, but most importantly, it does not cake. And what I actually think is really cool about this dofa is that it's really bendable. And at first I thought I was going to break it, but actually Benefit did that on purpose. She bendy. What we don't think about is that we actually don't only have curves in our body, but in our faces too. So when I apply, I actually make sure to get every single little spot. And it really molds to my face. So now that I've applied it, I'm just going to let it sit for a second. Okay, now I'm ready. Now I'm just going to go with my damp beauty blender and start blending. I don't know who I was before. Now I'm going to go in some other parts that I want to cover up. I love having like a highlight here, here, and then this is just to cover up some blemishes that I have. And boom, like it was never there. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm not even wearing foundation and I'm already looking snatched. And that's it. You could be done right now. I just have concealer on, no foundation, and I could leave right now, go to work, go to the party, I'm done. But since I like to be a little bit extra, I like to brighten my under eyes, and I like to go in with shade number 4 because it's a cool tone and you want to make sure that you match all your undertones. Just with a tiny bit, a little bit goes a long way, and I'm going to use a quarter of what I used last time. Just a tiny bit to just brighten, and then boom, that's it. Now we're just going to let it sit again for a little bit, you know. So now we're ready to blend, and I'm just using the pointy part of the beauty blender, and then I'm going to go with the butt because it still has shade number 6. And just blend it all together. Does everybody call it the butt? Because that's what I call it. And you don't want to bring it too down because then it drags your face down, so you want to make sure you just keep it right under. And I just can't help myself, so I'm going to add a little bit here, a little bit here. The same technique, just using the butt right after. And that's it.